is the excellent category 1. You can see on the screen details like view, size, bed type, room highlight, facilities, amenities, and images, etc. Category 2. Category 5. Category 6. Category 7. Category 8. We discuss the amenities of this hotel. As you can see on the screen, this resort and type of room is available on agoda.com. You can book online and enjoy it. Location of the hotel is excellent. If guests to fully enjoy the beautiful surrounding. Check-in time of this hotel is 2 p.m. Check-out time of this hotel is 11 a.m. Details and others available online for this hotel along with different rate plans and payment policy. If you are planning to book, you can use the link provided in the description below. If you have any problem booking a room in this hotel, then you can drop a comment and we will help you. For details and more details about this hotel, please check description of the video. Please stay in this hotel and your experiences via comments. If you are new to this channel or not subscribed yet, then subscribe to our channel right now and press the bell icon so that you don't miss any video of our upcoming hotel. Thank you for watching the entire video. Dear friends, we'll meet again in a new video with a new hotel.